guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So before I actually get into today's video, I just want to say if I sound a bit nasally, I do apologise. I woke up Friday morning with a sore throat, and then it hit me during the day. My symptoms was getting worse. I had a sore throat, that was getting worse. My nose was blocked. So yeah, it's all fun and games. So I've just, normally when I know I'll get a sore throat, I'll get a cold coming, but nowadays it's just a sore throat and bunged up nose. But yeah, I'm not gonna let this ruin my day. I'm still gonna go out. Plus I didn't want to let you guys down as well, so if I do look a bit rough, I do apologise. But yeah, I didn't want to let myself down, I didn't want to let my sister down, or I didn't want to let you guys down either. Yeah, sorry if I sound a bit nasally, it's just one of those days today. I'm currently on my way to my sister's house now. We are going to go to Queenborough, we're going to go to B&M, Poundland, maybe Morrisons, and then head to Home Bargains on the way home. There is going to be a haul after this video as well, so this is just a come shop with me, and then the haul will be in the next video. So come to B&M, Poundland, Home Bargains, maybe Morrisons, and any other shops we go into, come along with us. Sorry about my hair, guys. I did try and put it up, but it's just decided to go really wild. So obviously got off the train and there's a walk up this little path bit here, and there's like a little field. So there's always a couple of horses, sorry, just trying not to slip at the same time, in this field, which I absolutely love. So yeah, so the next time I film will probably be when we are in Costa's. So just about to see the buildings for like B&M and that, and yeah, see you guys in Costa's. I wanted to show you before we go to Costa's, you've got 5 bridges over there, you probably won't be able to see. Then you've got Creams, Burger Labs, Starbucks, Burger King, Subway, Costa, and then when we go around this corner, which we won't at the moment because we're going to Costa, but around here you've got Poundland, B&M, Sports Direct, but we are just going to Costa's now without trying to get run over or splashed. So just heading to Costa's now. Okay, so you probably won't be able to hear me, but I've got a bottle of water. Because obviously got to keep hydrated because it's cold, and I've got a tuna melt. Looks like this, got tuna and a bit of cheese in. Yeah, trying to stay healthy as well. Now we are heading to Morrisons. We'll go to the toilets first, and then maybe do a little bit of shopping.
Through the smoke you created, I feel my feet on the ground and they're shaking. How am I supposed to save the situation? While the steps getting wasted, even though we feel the same. Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave
way back to the train station and then going to Home Bargains. So we'll see you when we get to Home Bargains.
Here we are, where we thought we'd never be. Is there ever a way to be free? Can we turn back time so long, my dear? How are we supposed to save the situation? Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks on my body while it sways? Would you let my way find my way home again? My home is you. My home is you.
I don't know. So this is the Mrs. Hinch range. Obviously I did come in here last weekend. I got the smaller candles. But yeah, Lisa's thinking about getting this little lamp. I got a throw which I did actually order online, but they ran out. I've actually ordered the basket. So yeah, see what goodies I pick up today. So this is the more Mrs. Hinch range. So she's got the blanket here, which I've actually got on my bed, which is so comfy and keeps you warm as well, and big. You've got the tumblers, wine glasses, photo frames, more plates and stuff. Oh, I love it. And there is a back wall full of loads of Mrs. Hinch stuff. So go to your local Home Bargains. You've got the humongous candles down there. Then you've got the medium ones, small ones. Got the lampshades or little table lamps there, photo frames, some vases. I was going to get one of them, but I've got nowhere to put it. But yeah, you've got your plates. You've even got the baskets in the Sheerness Home Bargains as well. So if anyone is struggling to get them, go into your local Home Bargains and have a look. Guys, that is going to end today's video. So sorry the camera is wonky or keeps shaking. Just I've got a bag on this shoulder, bag on that shoulder. So yeah, I tried to get as much as I can. So sorry if it's all choppy here, there and everywhere. But I will do a separate video to show you guys of what I've got. Most of it, I'm not gonna lie, most of it's all Mrs. Hinch stuff. But I can't wait to get home. I'm knackered, I've got a massive headache, I need a wee, and I need dinner. Right, I will leave you on that note, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.